Prime Minister Andrew Holness has dismissed criticism of his plans to help address the shortage of skilled laborers locally. Dwayne Anderson reports.
To import skilled workers or not? That question has become a subject of debate since Prime Minister Andrew Holness told the country that the shortage of certain skilled construction workers could force the government to allow overseas workers to come in and fill the demand. On Friday, Mr. Holness advanced the debate.
Jamaica can be the place where people choose to come to work. It don't matter where they come from. If they come here to work, the income that they work going to stay here. They might send back 20% of it, but 80% stays here.
He added that Jamaicans are engaged in the practice many are now seemingly opposed to.
We have been exporting our labor. Almost 25,000 Jamaicans leave every year. They send back 20% and where the 80% stay. Whose economy have they been building? If we are going to rapidly build our economy, we need to create the infrastructure.
Mr. Holness further reasoned that many potential workers are now engaged in a life of crime, and he will try to find ways to get them into the local labor pool.
We intend to put in place a program to ensure that all our young persons become available to the labor force. So they have to go through, some of them, a program of national service to adjust their behavior, adjust their attitudes, and reset their mentality towards work. All the people who are into scamming, chopping, they could be very good workers in the BPO industry.
And speaking about jobs for young people in BPO businesses, Mr. Holness addressed concerns some people have about the sector.
Whilst I well understand the challenges of the BPO sector, the truth is that it is the fastest growing employment creation endeavor, business in Jamaica. And regardless of the complaints, it is putting income in the pockets of over 52,000 Jamaicans.
The Prime Minister was speaking in Portmore, St. Catherine, where the Port Authority of Jamaica constructed over 150,000 square feet of new space for BPO businesses. It was done at a cost of $3.6 billion. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Now, the Prime Minister, in the meantime, continues to talk up the benefits of Portmore becoming a parish. He reminded stakeholders that the area has the largest number of university graduates locally, and he wants to help position Portmore to take advantage of that knowledge.
That is why I have supported and encouraged the Port Authority and other private sector companies to build these facilities, so that you can start to now really create the knowledge economy in Portmore. As I said, it's not a vision that everyone has, but my job is the chief vision officer, right? I have to go around and sell these visions to the agencies of government, to the residents and constituents, so that we can all start to pull together in the same direction.